I had a request for the chords for Wild World by Cat Stevens, so that's what I'd like to show you today. I'm tuned to open E, E, B, E. It's got a verse and a chorus, and each one has two parts. So I'll just play the whole thing, and then I'll explain it to you. Alright, so the rhythm to the song, 99% of it is so I'll take you through the chords, and there's a couple licks that are important. So it's A minor, D, G, C, F. This is where it changes a bit, D minor. So the first time you hit D, it's major. Second time you hit it, it's minor. And if you're playing fretless, you can still do the song on fretless, but you do lose a little bit of something, not being able to have that minor chord there. And then it goes to an E chord. The first time I go to the E chord, I play the third over here. And there's a lick. And I usually strum it with the chord. Pretty straightforward, actually. Then you're back to the regular rhythm, like that. D, that was A minor, D. All the same chords. And now when we go to E, and then we sort of anticipate a G chord. And I do it like this. So that I can get that run in there. Try to do it in context here. So. Kind of like that. I do it a little different every time, but I think that was kind of close. And then we're into the chorus. Chorus is C, G, and F. The rhythm's a little different, more of a 1, 2, 3. And then there's a run. It's 8, 7, 5 on the high string, 8, 6, 5 on the middle string, and then 10, 8 on the low string. And that's a C major scale. Like that. You can use any fingers here that you want. G, C. And there's another little fill here. It goes down to the G note here on the low string. And then 5, G, open middle, G, and then first fret, G, which is C. That's how I do it anyway. I don't know if that's exactly right, but it'll get the job done. And that brings you back to the C chord again. Then to the G chord. Then I get to do the scale again. And then to bring it back into the verse of the song, we go D minor, E. And you don't have to have this third on there. I just like that sound. And then you're back into the basic progression of A minor D, G C, F, D minor, right? Then back to E. The first time you do E, do that. Second time you do that. You do that, or something similar. I hope you have fun with that and have a great day. Bye.